Stana. I can't remember now.
Kumusta na kayo?
Right, ready?
Yeah.
Stana. Echo. What? That's right, isn't it?
Yeah. Kayo means, darling, the audience. But if you say ako, that's yourself.
Stana. Oh, I can't remember what I'm remembering Echo. So what is it again?
Kumusta na kayo?
Kayo. Right.
Kayo. Yeah.
Stana. Kayo. Welcome to Ecozone. What was it again? I can't remember what that was. Okay. Stana. KO. That's right. Stana. KO. Welcome to Eco Channel. Is that right?
Ecozone.
Oh, why is it called channel begin with it? Stana. KO. Welcome to Ecozone.
Yay, you got it. Thank you, darling.
That's right.
Hey guys, Primrose here of My Daily Flow, and welcome back to the channel. And welcome to another episode of Ecozone. So the ever supportive husband actually volunteered to do this introduction part. Unfortunately, he is not home yet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this by myself because it is almost 6 o'clock in the evening. It's really late now, and soon it's gonna get dark. So I wanted to take advantage of the natural lighting, and I might film that part with my husband later when he gets home and insert it maybe at the beginning of this video.
Stana. KO. Welcome to Ecozone.
So Ecozone, guys, this is where we talk about stuff, about things that we use in our daily lives, and together we explore better alternatives. We find and share better products that actually creates a better impact for the health of our planet. And today, I wanted to share with you the DIY or the homemade cleaning solution that I make myself, and I have been using it for 2 years. I use it in cleaning my floor, in cleaning my kitchen sink, my countertops, and my bathroom. But before we get into the how-tos and introduce to you our ingredients, I wanted to talk to you guys about the indoor pollution. I feel like this is very timely because winter season is coming, and soon we will be officially closing our doors to the cold weather outside, and without a good ventilation, the quality of air inside our home is not the best. And know this, guys, this is from the US Environmental Protection Agency. Indoor pollution is 10 times worse than the outdoor pollution. And if you think about it, we spend 90% of our time indoors. It could be inside our home, inside a car, inside the supermarket, inside the building where we work. And this indoor pollution can actually build up over time. And if we have a family member or a loved one or a child that suffers from some kind of lung conditions, I think it is best that we explore natural ways to improve the quality of air inside our home. And cleaning agents are one of those contributing factors in indoor pollution. And if you want to improve the quality of air inside your home, buy so many houseplants. They are the most natural and effective way to clean the air inside our home. So I think it is now time for me to show you how I make my own all-around cleaning solution. And what we need is an empty bottle. We need a vinegar. So this is the cheapest that I could get from my local supermarket. And we need a washing up liquid or a dish washing soap. So this is actually a product by Ecozone. I've been using this one for years and I really like them. And this is just a recycled jar. I like drinking kombucha. I'm just so lucky that I have a refill station. I go to my local health shop so I could reuse the jars that I have. So that way I use less plastic. Now we are ready to mix. So vinegar comes from plants and went through the fermentation process. But bear in mind, this is acetic acid, which means it is corrosive. It can actually damage shower fixtures if they're not good quality of stainless. So I don't use a fixed measurement to do this. So one tip guys, don't put too much of the washing up liquid because you'll end up with a solution that is bubbly or full of suds that's difficult to rinse off. So I think about just 1% of this and then 9% of this. But you could never go wrong with this. This is not a dangerous chemical to mix, so you have nothing to worry about. So that's it guys. It's very simple to make and we only need 2 ingredients and now I'm gonna show you how I use this. So welcome to the bathroom guys. So I'm just gonna clean my sink and I'll show you how I do it. So first I have my sponge. So this is the loofah. This sponge is compostable. And first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some water and squirt a bit of this solution, not much. I hope you can see that. I'm really sorry about the quality of the video, but just let me show you one thing here. When I first tried to use this solution, I poured it directly into this stainless here, and as you can see it bubbled up and it's not gonna go away. So if the stainless quality is not good, that's one thing that could happen, and another thing is it's gonna get rusty. So that's just a warning. So this is how I do my sink and get those spaces there that's difficult to reach by the sponge. And then just give it a scrub. I'm sorry, I'm holding the camera with the other hand. And since this is now diluted, it's now going to be safe to use in for the stainless. And so I simply do the same thing to my bathtub. This is effective with most surfaces like a tile. And I use the same solution in my toilet. I just can't show you, but it's the most shiniest, cleanest toilet ever. So gonna drain and just make sure that you rinse it thoroughly. As you can see, it's shining very nicely already, but try and rinse it thoroughly, especially the stainless fixtures. Rinse it. So there you go, guys. And like I said, I use it for my bathtub. I don't have any buildups of calcium or scums in my bathroom. And even with my countertops, this is what I use. But sometimes if I have like a buildup around here when it turns a bit yellowish, so this solution can be used along with some baking soda for more tougher stains. If you wanted to give this a try at home, I would love to hear your thoughts and your feedbacks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Salaming. That was right, man.
Maraming salamat, darling. It's not salaming.
Maraming salamat. Thanks, everyone.
Yay! You got it!